In this podcast episode, Jocko Willink, a former Navy SEAL and leadership expert, delves into the complexities of war, the nature of human will, and the importance of preparedness in both military and civilian contexts. He draws on historical examples, particularly the Vietnam War, to illustrate how misinterpretations of willpower can lead to catastrophic outcomes. Willink emphasizes that war is fundamentally a test of wills, where the strength of resolve can determine the victor. He reflects on the Vietnam War, particularly the Battle of the Ia Drang Valley, where American forces inflicted heavy casualties on North Vietnamese troops. However, the U.S. failed to recognize that the value of life differed significantly between the two sides, leading to a miscalculation of resolve and ultimately a loss in the war. Transitioning to contemporary conflicts, Willink discusses the ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine, framing it as another test of wills. He posits that the Ukrainians are fighting for their homeland and freedom, which inherently strengthens their resolve. In contrast, he questions the level of sacrifice that Russian leadership, particularly Vladimir Putin, is willing to endure. Willink suggests that the war has evolved into a conventional conflict, which may not favor Ukraine due to its smaller numbers. He expresses concern that Ukraine may need to revert to guerrilla warfare tactics to survive against a numerically superior enemy. The conversation shifts to the Israel-Palestine conflict, where Willink asserts that Israel is determined to eradicate Hamas. He acknowledges the complexities of the situation, including the impact of international pressure on Israel's military strategy. Willink believes that the long-standing grievances and atrocities on both sides create a cycle of violence that is difficult to break. He emphasizes the need for forgiveness and understanding, which he sees as essential for any potential resolution. However, he remains skeptical about the likelihood of a peaceful outcome in the near future. Willink discusses the importance of leadership in times of crisis, drawing parallels between military and civilian life. He believes that individuals must take personal responsibility for their actions and decisions, especially in high-pressure situations. He shares insights from his experience training Navy SEALs, highlighting the significance of mental preparedness and the ability to detach from emotional responses during crises. Willink advocates for engaging in challenging activities such as physical training and public speaking to build resilience and confidence. Addressing the struggles faced by young men in contemporary society, Willink challenges the narrative that this generation is uniquely disadvantaged. He argues that while there are concerning statistics regarding physical fitness, mental health, and social engagement, these challenges are not unprecedented. Instead, he encourages young men to take proactive steps to improve their lives, such as exercising, learning new skills, and seeking meaningful connections. Willink believes that by overcoming personal challenges, individuals can build the mental fortitude necessary to face larger societal issues. Willink also touches on the significance of bringing manufacturing back to the United States. He argues that self-reliance is crucial for national security and economic stability. By investing in American manufacturing, he believes that the country can create jobs, support local economies, and reduce dependence on foreign supply chains. Willink emphasizes the pride and sense of purpose that comes from working in manufacturing, as it allows individuals to contribute to their communities and the nation as a whole. In conclusion, Jocko Willink's insights serve as a powerful reminder of the importance of leadership, personal responsibility, and resilience in the face of adversity. He encourages listeners to take charge of their lives, engage in challenging activities, and work towards building a better future for themselves and their communities. By fostering a culture of self-reliance and preparedness, Willink believes that individuals can navigate the complexities of modern society and contribute to a more stable and secure world.